Hello Dave, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for this beautiful 2007 BMW 325i convertible. Vehicle has not any issue, everything is working. It's fully safety certified, and the price is on sale right now. They've been reduced at 14,888 plus taxes and license. Black outside, red interior. Everything works in this vehicle. Very clean. If you have more questions, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.